Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to cover the topic Production Possibility Curve Diagrams. The Production Possibility Curve, or PPC, shows the maximum combination of any two categories of goods and services that can be produced in an economy at any point in time. Basically, it shows the maximum output that can be created through your resources, through your available resources. Now you have to understand that we've covered this in previous topics, that the amount of land, labor, capital, or what we call as resources, are limited in nature. Therefore, a production possibility curve shows the output that you could create by using different combination of land, labor, and capital. For example, if you look at this diagram over here, in the y-axis you have wooden furniture, and in the x-axis you have olive oil, which is measured in liters. Now you can see over here there are different points given: point A, point B, point C, point D, and point E, and point F. Now let's start off with point A. Point A is when we focus all our resources towards creating wooden furniture. At this point, we do not produce a single liter of olive oil, but we produce the maximum amount of wooden furniture. In contrast, when you look at point B, this is where you're dedicating all your resources towards making olive oil, and in that case, you're ignoring wooden furniture. Now you have points that are running along the curve. You have point C and point D. Point C and point D represent where you are trying to reach a compromise between the two items. So at point C, you could say that you're making around 50% of wooden furniture and 50% of olive oil. And in point D, maybe you're making a larger amount of olive oil and lesser amount of wooden furniture. Point E shows you the amount of output that is currently unattainable. Point F is the point that represents that you're underutilizing your resources through inefficiency. Therefore, you're producing an output that is less than your maximum productive capacity. So it could be because of adverse conditions such as weather, your labor going on strike, government policies that are unfavorable such as bans or taxes, and you have other things such as favorable points that could happen, including better equipment, better government taxes and subsidies. So you have to consider these things when you're considering a production possibility curve.